Hi, my name is Bailey Zala, and today I'm reflecting on our group's week 6 progress. So on Monday, I was able to, with the help of my team, we were able to remove a lot of the side paneling and all of the headliners. And then on Tuesday, we reflected on our learning styles, and I learned that my learning style is abstract conceptualization. And it was really interesting because I am in a group with 3 other individuals, and all 4 of us had a different learning style. And by just looking at that, I could see that we all think differently, and it was just a fun thing to learn. And then on Thursday, we were able to remove all of the carpet. Now that we have everything we have the van to its metal, we will start measuring and making our CAD designs so that we can actually create a camper. This week, I think that our group had some really good progress and we were able to work very well. I noticed that Ethan wasn't contributing as much as everyone else, but that was just because of his personality and his introverted and reserved self. However, I think he was able to really open up and convey his emotions and thoughts to us so that we can actually understand what he wants to do and how he wants to do it. So, that being said, I think that we did a really great job, and I hope that our teamwork gets better throughout the year. And let's go to Monday.
This right.
Hi, today is September 27th, and it is Monday. Week 6 of working on the van. Today the goal for our group is to remove the side paneling and the headliners. We don't think we're going to be able to get to the carpet, but that's okay just because of time restrictions. So let's get to it. Last week in my reflection video, I stated that we all decided that Ethan was going to be the one who removes all the headline. So here he is. To remove the headline, we need to remove the mirrors, the sun visors, and so that's what he's doing right now.
Okay, now we have to pull it out.
Okay, so in order to take the sun visors off, we have to push this up here so that it would allow this little notch to go out.
It doesn't have a...
So to remove all the headline, we need to take this centerpiece out. And so Tony's doing that right now. Once the centerpiece is taken out, we can remove all of it as one. So we finally got the back doors open. This is a big thing because now we can remove this piece right here so that to remove the whole carpet, the whole flooring.
Ethan right now is removing the side panels to the car. So Anthony loosened it for us, removed the screws, and now he's like pulling it out. And so that's what you're observing at the moment.
This hole, and then they had adhesive, which preventing it from coming out this way. This prevents it from coming out. All right, so we got that. All right, so now you know.
We finally got this part out. So the side paneling on the right side of the van is finally off.
So we can get the other side.
Other progress is we got the headline off in the front section, and right now the rest of my team is working on the side paneling right here. They removed this part as well. So I'm gonna get on to this part. Okay, update. We were able to remove the side paneling right here. It was connected to the speaker, so we have to remove the connector. And we did the same thing on the other side. And the 4 screws that came out of it are here. Now I'm gonna have to remove these screws right here, so we could just remove this part and then finish taking this headline out. And Tony, what are you doing?
Right now we're going to work on removing these floor trims around the edge so that we can take the carpet out, and then we have to take out these removers.
See up in here?
Okay.
The side stuff.
Okay, that's a plan. So we finally took the screws off of this paneling, so now we can just remove it.
Well, too late.
Oh yeah, and now we just have to just disconnect this, and then we can just start removing the headline.
Oh yeah, this
Okay,
is
so the windows were connected to these three screws, right, these three holes right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we removed 6 of these screws. We were able to take this carpet piece off, and now we can just easily take this side paneling off. We also removed all the screws from this paneling. So after we take this one off, we'll be taking this one off. Okay, so we were able to take the side paneling off from this side right here. Now, as I previously said, we had all the screws out of this paneling already. So by removing this piece first, we can easily just remove this. Now the only problem is that we're gonna have to remove this seatbelt piece, but I think from this side, this piece right here, I learned that there's just glue. So once I take the bolt down from here, I'm just gonna have to basically yank it off. Yeah. So we're just removing the headliners right now, and we basically removed all of it already. And so okay, we're done.
Hey, we got headliner
We
now.
removed it.
Hey.
Yay. So now all our team has to do is finish up taking the rest of the side paneling off, and then finally we'll work on the carpet removal. So on Monday, I was able to gain some experience with tools like the socket wrench and the power drill. I will be using that experience on Thursday as well, and we were able to get a lot done in a span of 2 hours, and this was due to our great dynamic as a team, as well as Mr. Hicks and my peers, because they really helped us whenever we needed it, and we were able to learn a lot. And so now let's go to Thursday. Today is September 30th, and our group is working on finishing our tasks that we decided that we wanted to do in the van. So we were able to take out the front part of the carpet. Right now, Tony, what are you doing?
Right now I'm taking off this entire side panel.
Yeah, and I am taking off this seatbelt thing. And what are you guys doing?
We're getting rid of dirt out of these holes.
Yeah, so that we can access the screws and take them out.
And we need to remove this paneling to remove the carpet on this side. And so
I can
that's what we're doing. Okay, update. I was able to remove the seatbelt box that was right here. And now that I removed this whole side paneling has been taken off of the car entirely. So this is going into, we're putting this outside now. And then now we're all just gonna try removing the carpet. And Tony's almost done removing the side panels. So after that, we'll all just get together and remove the carpet. Yeah.
Okay, so here we took off the seatbelt so that we could take this whole panel off. So now if it falls right off. So then now we could put the seatbelts back on, because we'll need those when we're putting the van back together.
Okay, so I finished unscrewing all the screws, and now this side paneling is off. Tony was also able to remove his side paneling on this side.
So all we need is this, and that's it, right?
We also took apart the paneling over there that we were having difficulty with, and now finally we're gonna start removing the actual carpet, and then we've basically stripped the van to its metal.
So right now, Ethan is removing these like 2 screws that need to be removed in order for us to remove this thing, and then remove the carpet as well.
No.
It's so soft. There's no insulation.
It's not soft. Feel it.
Finally, I would like to say that the physical results can speak for themselves. From this picture that I took last week, you can see that there's carpet everywhere and the side paneling is still intact. I was starting to remove a little bit of the side paneling on the left, and I still couldn't remove all of it because I was having difficulty with the seatbelt connector. However, from the picture taken on Monday, there is a big contrast. So this is the picture that I took on Monday. From this, you can see that the headline has been taken off, and that shows progress. And most of the side panels are also taken off. And from this, you can just see how clean the van looks. However, because of the carpet on the floor, it still looks like there needs to be more progress done. And on Thursday, that progress will be done. Finally, this is the picture that I took on Thursday. From this picture, you can see that the carpet has finally fully been removed. The headline is gone, the side panels are gone, and the car finally has a clean canvas that we can work with. The next steps are to measure the parts that we took out so that we can either replace it or just throw them away. And we need to start making CAD models for the parts that we want to 3D print. And I think that we are doing a lot. And next week we will be doing a lot more stuff digitally.